everybody, this is Jim again with Perfect Fitting Shoes. I'm continuing with my video series showing you my journey that I've taken to get to the point where I'm ready to offer my Matrix collection to the buying public through our Kickstarter campaign. These shoes you see right here were part of my athletic collection that I was making at that same golf shoe factory down in Mexico back in 2003. I had great hopes for this, and just like those leather dress shoes, unfortunately, these shoes were all priced at over $200 a pair at the factory. It was hard for me to be able to sell them, to justify that price, especially after I found some testing results with the rubber bottom soles in these that I didn't have any issues with the leather soles. So what had happened is these shoes are the same leather as the leather bottom soles, same high quality leather, same padding, same everything on the inside. We just used a different type of sole. This is a basketball shoe. You can see the sole looks really nice. I won't open this shoe because this has technology that I don't want to show right now, but it's something that we will offer to the marketplace in the near future. These are a couple of models that I made for myself to test, and I'm glad I tested them because it wasn't long after wearing them that I saw that the sole would crack. And with the sole cracking, I wasn't able to have confidence knowing that I could sell the shoe for $800 without people wanting to return them. So I did that one, did this one, and they all cracked within a very short period of time. So I was very frustrated because I had a lot of high hopes for making this work, and I really wanted to get things going. But after I saw this cracking, is one of the other reasons why I shut down the campaign, because I didn't want to have any issues at the later date after selling any of the shoes with people not being happy. Because I wanted to offer a one-year manufacturer guarantee so that the consumers could buy the product with confidence, knowing that the factory would stand behind it. So these were all, 3/4 like aerobic shoes, but they all adjust in the heel, so it's unbelievably comfortable back here where it just grips the foot and it really holds the foot in place without causing any blisters. You got the lace over here and you got the heel adjustability in the back. Again, I'm not showing a whole lot of this because I don't want a lot of this technology out until I'm ready to market the product. But you can see where the soles led me to where I didn't want to market the product. This again is a basketball shoe, completely different technology than these right here. The whole shoe is unbelievably different, more like a transformer shoe where it completely opens up such that you would not expect it when you see it like this. So this is one of the other shoes done on a different sole. Never had problems with these shoes. This sole tearing or ripping because of these lines inside here. This shoe did not have that, and as such it would crack right along this ridge right here. But this shoe, having those breaks, kept the shoe from splitting in that area. So I didn't have any problems with these. The only problem with these soles is they only made them up to size 11. American market's considerably larger than the 11 for most men especially. So with the smaller sizes, in order to make the larger size, I'd have to buy the molds, which is out of my price range. So this was a running shoe, this was a walking shoe. Again, they all had the same heel adjustable feature, done different ways, different designs, but for the most part, they were all adjustable in the heel and over the instep, providing you with a three-dimensional fit. So this was an early collection that I worked with. I will be doing something like this in the future, using the same factory we're working with in Portugal, but it won't be on this Matrix collection. So thank you again very much for continuing watching these videos. I look forward to seeing you again, and I'll share more information with you next time in the next videos. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.